What if the biggest cybersecurity threat in your company is not a hacker, but your own AI? Right now, employees are pasting confidential data into AI tools. AI co-pilots are accessing internal documents, and autonomous systems are making decisions without any real security control. And here's the scary part. Most organizations in Southeast Asia are already using AI, but their security architecture was never designed for it. In this video, you'll discover why AI is creating a completely new attack surface, real attacks that are happening today, and a 7-step framework to secure your organization before it's too late. Part 1. The illusion of AI safety. AI feels safe. It's inside your browser. It's inside your email. It's inside your workflow. So people trust it. But behind the convenience, something dangerous is happening. Employees are uploading financial reports, customer databases, internal strategies into public AI systems. This is called shadow AI. And it's one of the fastest growing risks in modern enterprises. No visibility, no control, no encryption policy. Your data is no longer inside your company. Your data is inside the AI. Part 2. The new attack surface. Traditional cybersecurity was built to protect devices, servers, and networks. But AI introduces something completely new. Identity without visibility. Autonomous AI agents can access systems, read documents, send emails, trigger workflows. If compromised, they don't just steal data, they act as trusted users. This leads to prompt injection attacks, data poisoning, AI supply chain breaches. And the worst part? Most security tools cannot detect this behavior because from the system's perspective, it looks legitimate. Part 4. Real attacks happening today. This is not a future problem. This is happening today. AI-generated phishing emails are now more personalized, perfectly written, context-aware. Deepfake voice scams have already caused multi-million-dollar losses. Attackers are using AI to write malware, scan vulnerabilities, and automate social engineering faster than any human security team can respond. We are entering a phase where AI is attacking, AI is defending, and companies without an AI security strategy are completely exposed. Part 4. Why traditional security is failing. Firewalls can't stop AI. Antivirus can't verify AI identity. Even zero trust, if not implemented with machine identity, has a massive blind spot. Because the new perimeter is no longer your network. The new perimeter is identity, data, and trust. You must be able to answer which AI is accessing your system. Is it verified? Is the communication encrypted? Is the email signed? Is the activity monitored 24/7? This is where PKI, SSL, secure email authentication, and continuous SOC monitoring become the foundation of AI security, not as optional tools, but as critical infrastructure. Part 5. The 7-step AI security framework. Here is a simple framework to get started. Step 1. Discover all AI usage in your organization. Step 2. Classify the data AI can access. Step 3. Implement identity for machines and AI agents. Step 4. Encrypt all communications with strong SSL. Step 5. Secure business email with digital signing. Step 6. Apply zero trust access control. Step 7. Monitor everything with 24/7 SOC. This is how modern organizations build trust in the AI era. AI is not just a productivity tool, it is a new digital workforce, and every workforce needs identity, security, and continuous monitoring. The question is no longer, are you using AI? The real question is your AI trusted and secured? If you want the complete AI security checklist for your organization, download it from the link in the description. And if your company is planning to deploy AI securely across Indonesia, Malaysia, or Singapore, talk to our security experts at SSL International. Because in the AI era, trust is no longer optional. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next cybersecurity deep dive.